Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica J, and on this channel we do home decor videos, a little bit lifestyle, and a lot of shop with me videos. So if that interests you in any way, please consider subscribing. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today's actually 4th of July, and I'm going to do this video and then go over to my parents. So I hope you guys all enjoyed your weekend and your 4th of July. Today I have a very exciting video. So CB2, you guys know one of my favorite stores just released a whole new collection. They call it their 2021 fall collection, which is insane because we just reached summer, which is a good thing for us because we can kind of see what's going to be happening in the fall and maybe a little bit of the winter as well. Now, CB2 has that very high-end luxurious look, but it's also very accessible for the average person. So if you guys want to see what CB2 came out with and you're excited to see my take and what I think is good, give the video a thumbs up. That helps my channel out so much, and let's get started. So I have my computer screen right here. I'm looking back and forth, guys, and they came out with several different vases, but one I wanted to show you guys is the Jacqueline chocolate brown glass vase. I just love that name, chocolate. And it is a very beautiful chocolate color. And if you guys have been noticing the trend with glass vases right now, they're very ornate and very sculptural right now. So that's the new trend that we're gonna be seeing with glass vases. And this one has a little twist to it because it has that smoky chocolate color to it. So you're getting something a little bit different, and the size is good too. It's 11 inches high, 7 inches in diameter. So this would be very beautiful on maybe like a pedestal on your kitchen island, even like on a sideboard or anything like that. I think this would look gorgeous. Okay, the next item I want to talk about is the FAUX mohair navy dining chair. Now this item isn't new. They have it in a couple of colors, but they recently came out with the navy color. I shared this on my Instagram account, and I just talked about how sexy that navy color is. And I really love how it's velvet. I mean, this color is beautiful, and it's gonna be forgiving because it's a darker color and it's different. I don't know, you guys, I'm really craving something that's different. I actually don't do color in my house, but don't be surprised if one day I do. I really appreciate when people do color in their home. And if you guys are interested in the designers that created these pieces, you can just click on their names in the description or where they have the details. You can read a little bit about the designer, and you know, that's kind of cool to really know who created your product and a little bit more about them. Okay, now let's talk about bar stools. I actually need new bar stools, and I've been on the market for it. But let's talk about these right here. I think it's called Azalea Bouquet upholstered counter stools. I love the bouquet trend, you guys. I know it's not for everybody. I know it's kind of like hit or miss, but regardless on how you feel about bouquet, it's here, it's not going anywhere, and it's coming from every angle as well. I mean, every company is coming out with their version of bouquet, and I'm here for it. Now, this counter stool has been around on the CB2 website in the champagne color or the Wells mink, but the bouquet is what's new, and it's beautiful. It's a black and white bouquet, and not only that, because it's bouquet and it's very textured fabric, it's very forgiving. So you make little messes. If you have little spills or little accidents on your counter stools with this fabric, it's gonna be a little bit more forgiving. You're not gonna be able to see it as much. It's priced at $3.59 a piece. But you guys, they always have sales as well. So if there's anything you're interested in on the CB2 website, sign up with your email and they will alert you when certain things go on sale. They are always sending 15% off coupons. So just keep that in mind if there's something you're interested in on the CB2 website. Okay, next item I want to show you guys is the Lola round coffee table. This is in the black color. It's a concrete dining table and it is gorgeous. It's perfect if you have a smaller space, but you want to make a huge impact in your small space. I love the shape of it. I mean, that in itself is just art. So they already had the white color. And if you guys want to check it out, you go on the website, you can click around, you can see how they styled it in the white color, and then you go down below and then you can see how other people styled it as well. You can tell the white one is a very popular one. So I mean, I guess it's only right they came out with a black version as well. And you can also use this as an entryway or foyer table and have a beautiful bouquet on it. And you guys know I love the dark moody vibe, so I'm here 100% for them coming out with the black version. All right, the next item that a lot of people actually, you know, slid in my DMs on Instagram when I shared this item, but these are the tea marble tables, and these are absolutely gorgeous. I feel like this is gonna be that one item that is just gonna do so well. And I really do love the stacked coffee table or cocktail table look. I think it's beautiful, and I think it looks so designer when people do that. Now these are a solid Toronto marble. It almost looks like a travertine, but I love the movement in these tables. I love the colors. And the best part about these, if you have a smaller space, these tables are for you if this is your vibe. Okay, the next item I want to talk about, it's a little pricey, but I just have to show you guys because it's just something different that we haven't seen. It's the Beecha Burlwood Geometric Bookcase. And when I first looked at this bookcase, I didn't think anything of it. And then I was looking through the website. I'm like, what is that? You guys, look at this bookcase from the side. It has this beautiful geometric shape. That bookcase is going to be a showstopper if you get it. That's gonna be a conversation starter. I'm telling you, anybody who walks past that, they are going to notice it. Okay, now for a few accent pieces, decor pieces. And I really love how they price these accent pieces so well. They're very accessible. So guys, take a look at these items here. So the first item I want to talk about is their glass cloche. This one has a gold top. I haven't seen any with a gold top before, so I just love this look. It's so classic. This will be beautiful on a coffee table, even on the sideboard. This will be gorgeous, but I think this will look really, really good on a coffee table. It's priced at $29.95, and let me check the size of it. It's about 5 inches wide, and oh my gosh, almost 10 inches in height. So this is priced very well. If you have a very large candle with this thing on top of it, that's gonna make a statement. Okay, next item. When I saw this, I thought, oh, that's really beautiful, but I feel like you can get it cheaper on Amazon, you know, maybe Etsy. And then I looked at the dimensions of it. I'm like, whoa, back it up. We need to talk about this. So this is the Eva Bust. It's priced at $49.95, and it is gorgeous. If you guys are into busts or torsos, especially these right now, they're very trendy and very popular right now. This gives me very Parisian vibes, has a very classic look to it. So wherever you put this, it's just going to make your home look so elevated if you're into this type of decor piece. And this is made of paper mache, which different. I love that. That's how it gets its texture. And you guys, the size of it, it is 16 inches high. I had a measure tape. I was going to show you. 16 inches is like, it's a good size. You can display this on a pedestal if you have that. You can display this on a sideboard. I mean, go all the way and display it on a coffee table if you like. I mean, anywhere you put this, it's going to be gorgeous. And by the way, it's 8 inches wide as well. So it's a really good size. So I feel like this is priced well. If you like it and you want to get your hands on it, I will order it now because it's on back order until late August. All right, and the last item I want to highlight, I actually love, well, the art of entertaining. I haven't entertained a whole lot in this home because, hello, what happened, but I love the idea of just putting together beautiful centerpieces and food and people and music and the whole vibe. So I want to talk about these right here. These are the Carly Gold Salad Servers. This is a set of 2, so they come with both of them for $30. And can we talk about the shape? The shape is good. I love these. And let's say you're entertaining and you're laying out your food. Little pieces like this just take it to the next level. And if you have that in a salad bowl, I'm telling you, everyone's gonna stop, look at it, and talk about how beautiful that is. And I love that. It just really adds a little something extra to something as simple as a bowl of salad. I mean, bowl of salads can be beautiful too, but come on, that's gonna be like the jewelry. All right, we reached the end of the video. What did you guys think of some of the pieces that I showed you guys? Have you looked at the website and kind of peeked around? Do you think you're gonna get anything? I just showed a few, but they actually came out with a lot of stuff. So I really do encourage you guys to head over to their website. We're definitely going to have to do a in-store shop with me. I'm gonna wait until I get some of these pieces in, and we gotta go in person, you guys, and just look at it. I'm such a visual person, so I like going in, feeling it, you know, touching it, seeing how heavy the pieces are. They feel like good quality. That's just me. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe on your way out if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.